Hi, I'm Craig Gaudry, and welcome to the Houghton neighborhood of Kirkland, located in the heart of all the tech giants of Seattle's Greater East Side. This home is part of the Windermere W Collection, which is an exclusive group of top-rated ultimate luxury homes. Come on, let's take a look. Now let me show you my favorite part of the home. This is a luxury deluxe gourmet kitchen featuring an expansive 16-foot island with waterfall countertop, which also includes the highest end Heston appliances. One of the best parts of this home's design is the flow from your kitchen area into the family room area, which guides over in an expansive feel all the way out to the dining room area. And let's not forget the outdoor entertaining area, which is covered with a gas fireplace, built-in barbecue. Luxury and comfort await you here. The upstairs floor plan has something for everybody. When you first come upstairs, you notice the library loft area, which is also a great study area. We've got double doors leading into the rec room, which is open and spacious. You've got built-in countertop areas with microwave, refrigerator, entertainment, and enjoyment happens here. This is an ultimate primary suite with a luxurious gas fireplace, floor-to-ceiling windows, featuring an extremely luxurious 5-piece bathroom with an expansive, oversized walk-in closet featuring built-ins galore. If you'd like to see this home with your own eyes, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm Craig Gaudry with Windermere Real Estate.